Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to set FPS limit in Steam games. We start by opening the control panel of our graphics card, in this case, NVIDIA. After that, we will click on the Manage 3D Settings option. After that, we enter the Program Settings tab. Here, within the Select a Program to Customize list, we will choose the game to configure. If it does not appear, we can click on Add and add the game we want. Then in the configuration list, we will click on the Max Frame Rate drop-down menu. Finally, we will click on and we can choose the number of maximum frames for that game. Apply the changes to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.